Veslački savez Srbije i naši reprezentativci nastavili su sa odličnim rezultatima u 2017. godini. Suvišno je govoriti o strahovitoj konkurenciji koja stiže sa svih strana sveta u ovom drevnom sportu koji je bio u programu i na prvim modernim olimpijskim igrama 1896. godine u Atini. Da se sada podsjetimo ovogodišnjeg takmičenja i medalja koje smo osvojili. Prvi svetski kup u 2017. godini organizovao je Veslački savez Srbije od 5. do 7. maja u Beogradu. Srbija se okitila sa 2 medalje. Dvojac bez kormilara, Miloš Vasić i Nenad Beđik, najavio je još jednu uspešnu sezonu osvajanjem srebrnog odličja.
A little bit more sort of direct through, as you do see the British crews. Dawson looks across.
But look at Belarus throwing 43 strokes to the minute. Where are they at the moment? They are charging for third. Actually, at this point, they've gone through the Czech Republic. Great Britain have open water. Belarus throwing 43 strokes to the minute. Where are they at the moment? They are charging for third. Actually, at this point, they've gone through the Czech Republic. Towering figure, though, Furman. Let's see what they can throw to the line. It's really starting to close up. This field's spread out massively. But look, it's Great Britain holding off the home rowers there. It's Serbia, but it's Great Britain won with more than a length, actually, as they come to the line. A length and a quarter. Great Britain won. Dawson and Rossiter lead. Bedic and Vasic of Serbia. Third place, the Czech Republic managed to fend off that massive late attempt from Belarus 1, led by Serhij Velečko in the stroke seat.
Na istom takmičenju skifista Marko Marjanović također se plasirao u finale i osvojio bronzanu medalju. Četverac bez, Aleksandar Beđik, Igor Lucić, Igor Đerić i Damjan Lazić veslao je B finale i zauzeo u ukupnom plasmanu 8. mesto.
A brilliant interview yesterday with Damian Martin. How do you think he's feeling going into this? I know he said he's just trying to get his head back in the space, but he had a while off after his race last year. That is an impressive lead that he's managed to take out of this experienced field. Third, I just dare hazard a guess at this point.
He's so focused, Stalberg. He hasn't looked out the boat, just looked around there a little bit.
Marjanovic may have enough on the line, being up.
No, there goes Damian Martin. He's going to go back. He's going to get the silver medal. What a charge from the Croatian. It's out of shot. You can see him there. He's gone mad. 45 strokes a minute. Look, he's coming back on the Swiss.
Stalberg
he's not giving up.
Cling on. Stalberg just edges out Damian Martin with the most ridiculous finish. Huge stuff from him. Great news for Serbia as Marko Mijanovic, I believe, takes third place. For rowing and as a personality, he's a great ambassador for our sport. But there, Marko Mijanovic, third place, the bronze medal on home water. He looks very, very pleased with that. That was hard.
3 nedelje posle Svetskog kupa u Beogradu održano je Evropsko prvenstvo u Češkim Račicama od 26. do 28. maja. Četverac bez, Aleksandar Beđik, Igor Lucić, Igor Đerić i Damjan Lazić zauzeo 8. mesto. Marko Marjanović bio je prvi u B finalu, a dvojac bez, Miloš Vasić i Nenad Beđik, osvojio je bronzanu medalju.
Let's see how they get on. We're underway.
I'll tell you, if the Czechs get a medal, then I'll take my hat off to you, Sam.
I'll take my hat off to them.
There we're riding with the Serbian pair, I think.
Yeah. Italy at the front of the field, Czech Republic making the best of home water as they sit at a punishing rate, to be fair. They're sat near 40 strokes a minute. You see them on your screen. That's Serbia, Milos Vasic and Nenad Bedic. They know what a home field advantage is like. Saw them through to second place not 3 weeks ago with an excellent race, start to finish, to be fair. Very, very strong stuff from them, and they'll finish with clear water. And quite a safe margin of clear water as well to the French. The Onfray brothers, Valentin and Theo, will get there in second place ahead of Serbia, who were in the mix throughout. But the Czech Republic with a strong finish. The Serbian crew, Milos Vasic and Nenad Bedic.
I na drugom svetskom kupu u Poznanju imali smo predstavnike u 2 discipline. Marko Marjanović je u skifu bio prvi u B finalu, a dvojac bez, Miloš Vasić i Nenad Beđik, u A finalu okitio se srebrnom medaljom.
Yeah, there's a shot of the Serbians, Nenad Bednik, the 28-year-old stroke from Belgrade. Behind him, Milos Vasic. Really fast pair. They've got a lot of flexibility at both ends of the race, and
The French have been at 42 strokes a minute since 2:50. So we've got a massive sprint finish in front of us here. It's 100 metres to go. It's really tight, but I think the French are looking like they're going to hang on.
Allez France, c'est très bien fait, and the French crew crossed the finish line to take the men's pairs in World Cup 2, the Serbians, and that is a fantastic sprint from the Czechs, fourth place in the Europeans. They got a bronze in Belgrade. Lies back in the boat, the 24-year-old. Second place, they did come through in the end, didn't they, Greg?
Poslednje veliko senjorsko takmičenje u 2017. godini održano je u američkom gradu Sarasota od 24. septembra do 1. oktobra. Ženski dvojac Milica Slijepčević i Ljiljana Jošić zauzeo je 9. mesto. Skifista Marko Marjanović bio je 8. a dvojac bez Miloš Vasić i Nenad Beđik potvrdio je svetsku klasu, plasiravši se u još jedno veliko finale u kojem su zauzeli 6. mesto.
They'll be mindful about what's coming to their left.
That is a fantastic result. Italy first, Croatia take the silver. I was wrong. New Zealand come in for the bronze medal. France will take 4.
Senjori do 23 godine učestvovali su na svetskom prvenstvu u Plovdivu i evropskom prvenstvu u Krušvicama. U Bugarskoj je Double School Đorđe Urukalo i Dimitrij Ibročić bio 17. Laki skifista Nikola Selaković 20. Ženski dvojac Milica Slijepčević i Ljiljana Jošić zauzeo 8. mesto, a u A finalima veslali su Vanja Obradović, Aleksandar Beđik, Igor Đerić i Damjan Lazić u četvercu bez kormilara, zauzeli su 5. mesto, dok je dvojac bez Viktor Pivač i Martin Mačković osvojio bronzanu medalju.
They are still at 39 strokes a minute. They took clear water off the rest of the field.
Наблюдаваме сърбите във втори коридор в момента на втора позиция, но много близо до тях на само един нос разстояние. Виждаме и братята Турлан от Франция, които по никакъв начин няма да се откажат.
This is a blisteringly fast sprint also from the Americans. France up in second place. I think France are just going to cling on to silver, but as we come into cross the line, Romania take the gold medal here, winning the A final of the men's pairs. Silver goes to France. It is so tight for me to choose that bronze medal between Serbia and the USA. We're going to have to wait for the official result on that one. What a sprint finish across the board there. It was amazing to see.
Poljske Krušvice bile su domaćine Evropskog prvenstva za senjore do 23 godine, 2. i 3. septembra. Dušan Slanić u skifu bio je 4. u B finalu, a Double School Igor Đerić i Aleksandar Beđik u velikom finalu osvojio je 2. mesto i srebro.
Followed by Greece, Lithuania,
przed Serbijom.
Juniori su osvojili pregršt medalja na Balkanskom prvenstvu i internacionalnim regatama u 2017. godini, a učestvovali su i na svetskom i na evropskom prvenstvu. Svetsko prvenstvo održano je u litvanskom Trakajiju početkom avgusta. Skifista Vukašin Pivač zauzeo je 13. mesto. Četverac Pavle Lijeskić, Vuk Mladenović, Veselin Tričković i Aleksandar Izda bio je 14. Danilo Selaković i Aleksa Petrović u Double Schoolu zauzeli su 24. mesto, a Double School za žene Anđela Nišević i Nataša Ilić bio je 25. Evropsko prvenstvo za juniore održano je u nemačkom Krefeldu. Četverac bez Veljko Milovanović, Vukašin Pivač, Pavle Lijeskić i Marko Đuranović veslao je A finale i zauzeo je 6. mesto. U B finalu bio je dvojac bez Veselin Tričković i Vuk Mladenović koji je bio 9. Skifista Aleksandar Izda zauzeo je 16. mesto, a Double School Aleksa Petrović i Danilo Selaković je bio 17. I 2018. godina bit će bogata velikim takmičenjima. Senjorska reprezentativna sezona ponovo se otvara prvom svetskom regatom Svetskog kupa u Beogradu, i to od 1. do 3. juna. Očekuje se učešće oko 800 sportista i zvaničnika iz celog sveta. Regatna staza na Adi Ciganliji 3. put od 2012. godine će biti domaćin ovom velikom takmičenju. Podsjećamo da je 2014. godine na istom mestu na Adi održano i Evropsko prvenstvo. Najveći izazov je u 2018. godini za seniore bit će Evropsko prvenstvo u Glazgovu 4. i 5. avgusta i Svetsko prvenstvo u Plovdivu od 9. do 15. septembra. Seniore do 23 godine očekuje Svetsko prvenstvo u poljskom Poznanju krajem jula i Evropsko prvenstvo u beloruskom Brestu početkom septembra. Juniori će učestvovati na Evropskom prvenstvu u Gravelenu u Francuskoj krajem maja i na Svetskom prvenstvu u Račicama u Češkoj 11. to je 12. avgusta. Osvojene medalje u juniorskim i seniorskim kategorijama na balkanskim, evropskim i svetskim šampionatima potvrda su kvalitetnog rada Veslačkog saveza, precizno organizovanih i stručno vođenih priprema koji garantuju nastavak uspešnih nastupa naših veslača na velikim takmičenjima i u 2018. godini.